Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do the unboxing and a review of the Tozo Aerosound. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another product from Tozo. This is their Tozo Aerosound. Okay, so if you're interested guys, you can actually click here and the link, or you can just go directly to www.tozo.com. So here it is guys. Okay, we have here the specifications. So it has 6 mic ENC call noise cancellation, built-in LED battery level display, and hybrid active noise cancellation. Okay, so what's in the box? So we have here the manual, and we also have here the free earpiece. Okay, depending on the size of your ear. Okay, we also have here, yes, the manual again. Here the charger. Okay, the wired charging, it's type C. And we have here the Tozo Aerosound. Okay, so as you can see guys, we have here the LED, okay, display. So when you open the earphones, so you can see there the battery level. Okay, and so let's take this one out. So this is the design of our Tozo Aerosound. Okay, it's pretty nice. Okay, and we have here like kind of matte texture, and also at the back, so we have here the type C port, and this one is more like you kind of long press this one when you want to pair this with your phone. Okay, and actually guys, I have already used this one for a couple of weeks, and I have also already tested this one out, and all I can say guys is that the product, it's really great. And when you're actually listening to music, like in my case, I like to listen to songs, and it's really crisp. Yes, and it really gives you that immersive feeling, and it is not also bulky because it is just really compact. Okay, and also the battery life, it's also really superb, and it can last you for days without having to charge. So guys, if you're interested about our Tozo Aerosound, just tap on the link in the description box or in here, and or just go directly to www.tozo.com. Okay guys, so all I can say is that this Tozo Aerosound, it's really doing its job. And if you want something that is really not expensive, then this one is good for you. So guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video.